Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FashionNova if we click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you search about the application of FashionNova as you see, and you click here. Then in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then here we click on first stop. Then we go to clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.